we can determine if lines are parallel or non-parallel or perpendicular by converting the equation of the lines into slope-intercept form. This is the slope-intercept form, and you just need to solve for y, and then the coefficient of x will be the slope. Now, these four equations of lines are in standard form. So, to know if they are parallel, if they have the same slope, they are parallel. If they have different slopes, they are non-parallel. If the slope of one line is the negative reciprocal of the other line, so if it's a negative reciprocal, the lines are perpendicular. So let's convert this one into the slope-intercept form. So I want to remove the negative, so I just move 3y to the right. This becomes 2x plus 15 is equal to 3y, and then swap 3y is equal to 2x plus 15. So divide everything by 3. So y is equal to 2/3 x plus 5. For equation 2, 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. Let's move 4y to the right. 3x plus 8 is equal to 4y. Then swap 4y is equal to 3x plus 8. Divide everything by 4. So we have y is equal to 3/4 x plus 2. So this is equation 2, this is equation 1. So the third equation, 4x plus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0. So let's retain 3y here. 4x becomes negative 4x minus 3. Divide everything by 3. Y is equal to negative 4 over 3 x minus 1. This is equation 3. And then equation 4, 3x minus 4y minus 24 is equal to 0. Move this 4y to the other side. 3x minus 24 is equal to 4y. 4y is equal to 3x minus 24. So divide by the coefficient of y. So y is equal to 3/4 x minus 6. So we will see all the slopes and compare. So this is the slope of equation 1. This is the slope of equation 2. This is the slope of equation 3. And this is the slope of equation 4. Well, you can see this is 2 over 3. This is 3 over 4. So 1 and 2, they are not parallel because they have different slopes. Now, this is 3 over 4, and this is negative 4 over 3. So they are a negative reciprocal. So line 2 and line 3 are perpendicular. And then if you will notice the equation 4, the slope is 3 over 4. Equation 2 is also 3 over 4. So equation 2 and equation 4 are parallel.